Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Banggood tool review. This time it's a set of high-speed steel drills going from 1 to 13mm. Before I start, I want to make one or two things perfectly clear. The first thing is Banggood don't make these, they import them from China. The second thing is Banggood have sent me these drills completely free of charge. They're mine to do with whatever I like, and suppose in payment and in return I'm going to do a review for them. Whether it be a good review or a bad review, we'll have to wait and see. In one or two of my earlier videos I've mentioned that I had these drills. I've actually used them as well, and I asked people what they'd like us to do with them. And some, it's varied from drilling wood to drilling Inconel, you know. I mean, the high speed steel drills I've got drilling steel. But I have got some stainless, I've got some pretty hard stuff. We'll give them a go and see exactly what happens. But rest assured they will be tested and tested thoroughly. I'll bring the camera in, get a close-up shot of them. As well as the set of drills, there's also a packet with some coated drills in from 1 to 2mm. There's actually 50 drills there, and I think they're less than a fiver. Right, it's a normal fold up type drill box, you know, the one where the drills fall out and jam. At least they've left the 4 small ones out so they won't fall out and jam. You know, when you look at them, they're basically a twist drill. It's a very, very steep twist on them. Standard angle. I've actually got a size rate on, which is, some of your cheaper drills haven't even got size rate on, 10.5. HSS, high speed steel. They're not cobalt, they're not, I want the ore. Right, that's a high speed steel drill, and that's one of my cobalt drills. You can see the difference in the helix or the flute. They've been sharpened slightly different as well. There's been a bit more time spent on that one. But for the cost of the set of drills, really, that one drill there will be more than a full set. Anyway, we're not reviewing cobalt drills, we're reviewing exactly what we've got here. I had a look through them, and the 13mm one, that's got a bad bit on there where it's been machined, or how it's been made, like not quite sure what it is. Right, I think the first thing to do is to get a bit of mild steel and just drill some holes and see what happens. That's what they're for drilling holes. Right, I've got a piece of angle line here, and I've got a 5mm drill in there. No pilot tool, straight in. Right, and that, as you can see, drill the hole. To be quite honest, you know what the cost, I think that drill just paid for itself. Right, so that's a 5mm drill, which does exactly what it's supposed to do. I'll leave the same drill in, and I will try a bit of stainless. But as I've said, I'm not they wouldn't be my choice of a drill for drilling stainless. Right, some 6mm stainless. well, it's drilling it. Right, I think that's the end of it. Yeah, blunt. Right, so that did 12 holes in mild steel, and I think it would have kept on going. It managed 2 holes in the stainless, and it's blunt. Right, so they're not for drilling stainless. It's pointless trying to drill Inconel with them if they won't drill stainless. We'll go back to our ordinary mild steel. This is the bit of steel that we used on the face nail. We'll give it a try. I use the 4.5 nail because the 5's dead. Right, that's just drilled through 1.5 inches of mild steel without any major drama. Right, we'll put a 10mm drill through that hole we've already drilled. Right, that's through. Right, I'm going to try an 8mm now without a pilot hole. I know you shouldn't do it, but people do. Right, that's 8mm straight through, no pilot hole. That was quite impressive. I'll try the 13mm drill. I don't like the way the swarf comes off. Nasty bastard things, look at them. We'll try the 13mm drill straight through that 8mm hole. A little bit slower again. Right, so the drill holes in mild steel. Right, this is a 1.5mm drill. It's expecting a lot really. Right, so the little drill mounts it as well. Right, next we'll look at these coated drills. That's 5 packets of drills here, and I think it was about £4 for the 5 packets. My coated drills or dipped or whatever. We're going to try and see what these cut like. Right, this is a 2mm drill. It's drilling, but it's not. Yeah, it's just died. It's just died. Yeah, the ends come off it. I'll try one of the bigger ones. These are a 3. No, didn't want to know about it. Yeah, it's just blunted the end straight away. For the cost, I'm not surprised really. I think if you're drilling wood or plastic, you may be alright. Well, that was the way in. No, they're not what I would. Not what I would be using. Right, to sum up, for a set of drills that go from 1 to 13mm for around about £10, I think that they are actually good value for money. They will drill mild steel, as you've seen. They don't like stainless. Would I buy them? No, they're not the sort of thing I would buy, because I work in much harder materials normally than mild steel. I think for the modeller who's drilling aluminium and wood, they'd be ideal. The other ones, the little coated drills, the amount of drills you get for the money, they've got to be good value. You did see 1 or 2 did drill steel. I broke one blunt straight away. They're just exactly what they are. Cheap twist drills. If you're drilling wood or aluminium, yeah, it'll be alright, but they're not something that I would buy. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That was an honest, fair, truthful review. About exactly what they are. Thanks for watching.